Hello, it's Keith from Cloud Design Box. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at the new Reflect check-in option that's become available to us in assignments. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's get over into Teams. So here I am in Teams. I'm working in a History Year 11 class today, and I've already gone into the assignments area and I've created a basic essay assignment for my students to complete. If I come over to the right hand side and just come down the page, here's the new Reflect check-in area here. And by default, the Reflect check-in is switched to off. Just need to turn it on, click the switch, there it is, it's ready to go. And also I can select preview, and this is what the student will see. It asks a basic question as to how they're feeling about the assignment, and the students will then get to select an emoji depending on how they feel about the assignment. Let's quickly close that. Just one thing to note, the Reflect check-in does not work on group assignments. It just grays out, so it's only geared around all current students, all current and future, and individual students. So let's assign this to our students, and we'll go over then into the student view. Here we are in the student view, and Susan has already gone into the assignments area, and she's created her Word document. She's completed the work and she's now ready to hand it in. So all Susan now needs to do is click the hand in button, and as you can see, the Reflect question has now appeared. If I hover over the eye icon, it will tell the student who will get to see her check-in. In this case, it's going to be the teacher, and all Susan needs to do now is choose an emoji. So I think she was feeling pretty okay with that. Select next. As you can see, it then opens up an emotions page, and as she hovers over words here, you can see a feelings monster, or if she's not sure, she can select not sure at the bottom of the page. However, today Susan is feeling pretty focused. Once that's chosen, all she needs to do then is select submit. Get a little thank you screen, and then click close. If Susan feels she selected the wrong check-in emoji, she can undo the hand in. That will call it back. So Susan can change the work if required, as you can do with any assignment. However, when she comes to select hand in again, she'll then be re-asked how she felt about the assignment. Actually, she struggled a little bit with this one. And select next. It left her feeling a little bit overwhelmed. And then click submit. Again, thank you screen appears. Click close. And she can do that as many times as she needs to. So let's go back into the teacher view. Now that we're back in the teacher view, we can go back into assignments. So here's our essay assignment. Let's open it up. And as you can see, Susan has handed that work in. At the top of the page here, I do get the Reflect Together mode, so I can select this, and this will then show me all the Reflect check-ins so far. As you can see, we've got a range of feelings monsters here, so Kiana here is feeling a bit stuck with it, and Brianna is feeling energized, etc. I do get the option to hide the names, so if I just hover over each feelings monster, it just tells me how an individual person is feeling. So overall, it gives me a nice visual clue as to how my class have coped with that particular assignment. Just close it down at the top there. And also then if I go into the individual's work, so there's Susan's. So Susan's work is now opened. I can come over to the speed grader area. And as we can see, we've got the Reflect check-in. And at this point, Susan was feeling somewhat overwhelmed. I can select a trend, which will then show me Susan's previous check-ins, so we can see how she's trending overall. However, from here, I can then just go on and grade the piece of work, give the formal feedback, etc., and then return that work back to the student. I'm just going to close it for now. Also, if I come over to the Reflect area here in Teams, I can open that up, and it will also add any of the assignment check-ins to the reflect area. So again, I can select it. Here's our feelings monsters, and also by selecting the more options menu, I can see the response distribution, and by clicking on the faces, I can see just exactly how my students have rated it, and also I can put a percentage onto there if required. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, please do subscribe, and also if you hit the activity bell, you'll be notified every time Cloud Design Box uploads a new video. Thanks for watching.